Did you know that acrylic paint markers can write on almost any surface from glass to fabric to rocks? Seriously, you can create art just about anywhere with these little wonders. So today, I'm diving into the colorful world of acrylic paint markers. Whether you're sketching in your journal or customizing a skateboard, these tools are becoming a must-have for artists and crafters everywhere. But here's the catch: there are so many brands, colors, and tip sizes out there, it's easy to get overwhelmed. How do you pick the right acrylic paint marker when every box claims to be the best? I've totally been there, staring at endless shelves, not sure where to start. Do you go for fine tips for detail work, or bold chisel tips for big, expressive lines? And what about paint flow, opacity, or even how they smell? Let's break it down. Acrylic paint markers usually come in fine, medium, and broad tips. Fine tips are perfect for outlining and tiny details, think intricate doodles or signing your masterpiece. Medium tips are the all-rounders, great for filling in color or everyday projects. Broad tips? They're your go-to for covering large spaces or making statement marks. When picking a marker, test the opacity. Some brands need more layers for solid color. Also, check if they're refillable or have replaceable nibs. That'll save you cash in the long run. Alright, here's the moment you've been waiting for: my top 3 picks. First up, Posca markers, famous for their vibrant pigments and smooth flow. Next, Molotov's 1-4, all markers super versatile and refillable. And finally, Arteza, affordable, reliable, and with a huge color range. To sum up, acrylic paint markers are a total game changer for DIY projects, illustrations, and personalizing just about anything. Try them out, experiment, and let your creativity run wild. Drop a comment sharing your favorite acrylic paint marker brand or a cool project you've done. And if you want more honest art supply reviews, don't forget to check out my other videos. Happy creating!